Good morning. It's super, well, it feels super early, but we're going to Prague today.
That's right.
Ready to roll. We're in Prague! Yay! I'm so excited. Clock towers in construction. Having our first
Finally.
Yeah, finally. Cheers! Off to celebrate this one's birthday. Let the shenanigans begin.
Third celebration of my birthday.
Yeah, third of many. Probably gonna celebrate another million times. He loves the attention.
I do. It's what I love.
That's where we're eating. We are at the rooftop at the Ginger and Fred restaurant.
Dancing house.
The dancing house. Cheers to a happy birthday.
Cheers.
So I got the English menu and Chris got the Czech menu.
Maybe I look Czech.
Yeah.
Well, it was my 2 words, so I learned some Czech. So convincing. Ooh. Let's do it.
Let's do it. We have some goat panna cotta, beetroot, some squishy things. It looks very good. Hey Chris, happy birthday! We're crossing Charles Bridge right now. So cool. Birthday brews. We finally decided on a place. Wandered for so long, but we found a place to eat some lunch. Oh, beef goulash. Go for it. And a chili. Here it is, the beer museum. Beer time! Alright, this is gonna be good. What do we have? Beer. Alright, we have a Pilsner. Unfiltered. What is this one?
They're all lagers.
Non-filtered lager. Semi-dark.
Honey lager.
Honey lager. And a dark. Which tastes like caramel. So we'll cheers to that. Cheers. Dobry den. We're getting 2?
1 each, right?
Oh, sure, yes.
I don't know what we were doing.
I thought we were sharing, but I like the idea of getting 1 each. First impression. Oh man. What?
What is it you're eating?
I'm eating a Turdlink.
How do you say that again?
Turdlink. Whatever it is, it's so good. Good morning, we're back and taking on the day, hopefully getting lost again because that was fun.
Ono je to takový jako hrozně debilní, když nějaká holka chodí takhle, ale to jsou to vždycky činy, když se vzala takový hnědý to, tak prostě chodila s nima úplně jak dvěma polma. No, ono to hele.
Got some lunch now. So this is vegetarian goulash and halloumi salad. I'm so excited. Get to try goulash.
Me three.
Come to the magical land of families. Wow. Very talented. So tonight, Chris and I are doing something kind of cool. We're going to a beer spa. Cool.
2 minutes if you have beautiful green color.
Here we go.
Big koozie.
Beer koozie.
I like it on this one.
We are celebrating Christmas a little early this year because we've just come to Christmas land. I got a little man. Will you help me take him out? Show him off. Ted. Yay! We're exploring the castle area.
Yes, ma'am.
Castle grounds.
You just wake up.
It smells like autumn or fall.
Fall. Because the leaves are falling.
Because the leaves are falling down. It's the March of the Penguins. Alright, we're heading to the airport. We loved Prague. It was great.
Best 30th birthday I ever had.
Yay!
Also the only one, but still
Yeah.
very good.
Good. Bye, Prague. Thanks for the fun and the beer.